That laid in there real shitty. Boom! Well, it's time to clock in. Time to punch that time clock. Go to work. We got our work cut out for us. That's on the 2-hour trip that Hammer takes. We'll have plenty of time to rake, and man, look at that blister from yesterday, like back in the riding days. But welcome back, you dirt banging enthusiast, hard working, hardcore, American loving, great valued people. So I'd rather be nowhere but right here with you family right now, and I mean that. Thank you for everything you've done, the like, the subscribes, comments, making me hit 100,000. Can't do it without you. When I say this, I mean it. This is a freaking family. I was to the end. I was about to ride it out and get out of Excavation and be done, and then I started YouTube and started getting so much response, and I just can't quit, you guys. I can't leave. So I dug myself a hole again. So now I'm looking up, and I'm looking up to the family. So I'm out of my comfort zone. I'm back in debt, and we're clawing to the top, baby. Come with me. We're all in this MF together. Let's go. You know, that's why it says Dirt Fam here. It's not just Orschell Excavating, it's Dirt Family, because that's you. OrschellX.com. You can slide over there and get the dirt hammer stuff until I get that website going. But that's affordable workwear for you guys. Sunglasses, shorts, board shorts, boots. I'm doing it all. Stay tuned. The big thing you all asking me, how do I start my business? And that's awesome, because I see when I went to ConExpo, a lot of young guys out there. What the heck's he doing? Why is he going through the yard? I just can't get it through his head to stay out of people's yards. I just can't do it. I don't know. I don't know why he just didn't park up in that field right by my truck, but I've seen a lot of you guys enthusiasts and act like that and whatever. You want to start your own deal, and all I can say, man, today's the day. Don't wait for tomorrow, just do it. Reach down and get you some. Make your dreams a reality. If it wasn't hard enough getting out of here, I left myself a little obstacle yesterday, and I knew I was going to be a little tough. Let's unbang these chains, because I don't think tailgating's our answer today. Didn't seem like it. Carlito's getting right with it. Dragging my life away. I tell you, I'm glad I went with them beefy BBK tires. I thought that was going to be too much when I first got them. Man, the load I put on these things and going up that trailer, sometimes that sidewall seems like it's going to blow. It worked out real nice. Look at Coast can just get. Not legal. Can I backtrack with a tractor? I had a guy message me just this morning. I seen it, and he put like puking emojis because he said backtracking with the dozer. What? You're only supposed to work one way? I keep reiterating myself. I'm not good enough to work one way. I gotta backtrack. I get by, that's all I can do. It's all bad. Well, if you're only working in one direction, they're only getting half their money. I work both directions. I give them 100%. You're only working forward, you're only getting 50. Make that make sense. You know, another thing too, haters are always going to hate up. Nobody's above you hating down. They're looking up, talking shit because they're below you. So remember that. Somebody hating on you, that's just a compliment in my eyes. He's back. We just cut it right there. So we brought the little truck to get the pond juice out, but she really don't have anywhere to go with it, so we're going to load it in that and just take it to my house. I tell you, the stressful part of all the jobs for me is the trucking, just worrying if he's gonna hit steps or flip the truck or watch that step. When other people's trucking for me, I don't even think about it. See if that culvert will hold it. I think it will. About to tell. It did. Unscathed. Well, it'll probably go on the way out. Problem is, we're doing these tight little jobs, these landscaping jobs, basically, and trying to get a 70,000 pound truck in. Makes it tough. And right there's Orschell B. Let's see if we can keep this machine clean. Sure we'll get a big hunk of muck splash on it. Yep, first damn scoop. Never fails. This thing's so much faster than my other one when it spins. When I stop to counteract, that's when everything sloshes. I'm not used to it yet. They say you could slow all these functions down. You know what I forgot to do? Forgot to bid the 500 extra in for washing this. Gets me every time. The damn shame. Let's see what kind of load we got. It's all towards the back. It's sealing good. Ain't really leaking. Really don't want it to pull out and spill all over my white driveway, but I need to get it out of the way. Oh. I tell you, I'm in and out of on so many different pieces of equipment. I never know where my phone's at. I always got that feeling I lost my phone. Right, unit? Yeah. Right. Thank goodness it's on this old tractor. And nobody called. That's a good thing. This job is nearing completion. I got to get this spread, kind of tidy everything up, work our way out. Yo, we done. I gotta call on the killers to hit this edge. We'll work it into submission. For having a bunch of squirters and starting off crappy, we turned it into something. You rub it enough, it'll come. The cream always rises to the top. I need you killers down here, report to duty. The heck was the matter with Tomac this weekend?
I didn't even watch what happened.
He looked horrible.
Did he?
Seems to me like he lost the AFI. The old boot rake. Dustin said he was boot raking and blew his groin out. It happens. Tell you that formed a tight seal. That sludge got in there, and I was worried. Make it into something your mom would be proud of. What are we gonna do with this? Everything's in a good ground, guy. They make you look good. Perfect your craft, Cole. Be the best at what you're gonna be. Always some slop. Let's take a step back here and look at what we got. This one's done. It's Tuesday. We got rain Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 'Tis the spring, but like always, it was a pleasure. We hit this thing. We did a left, right. It's toothless. The only thing we can hope they say is, God damn, Orschell Excavation's ruthless. That's us. One pitching job at a time. Stay tuned. Summer of 2026, making all the dreams come true. If you have a dream, well, let me tell you this. If you have a dream and you don't make it come true, you're just sleeping. So wake up, make that dream a reality. From ours to yours. One bang at a time.